Hey, you know what? Everything here in Utah is all right. So far, everything has been amazing. But you know us, can't sit still for nothing. There's a lot more to see around here, so it's time for us to get a move on. It's time to experience the most amazing campsite ever.
I have always wanted to camp out here.
Join us.
There's so many ways to escape, but I guess it's time to wake up, time to wake up. Far too many ways to escape, but I guess it's time to wake up, time to wake up. Time to wake up, time to wake up, baby. Time to wake up, time to wake up.
It's Wednesday morning in the Moab area, guys. It's a beautiful morning. I had no intention of being up this early, but I had to pee. And we're immediately greeted with one heck of a view right here.
As much as I have truly loved our 3 nights and 2 days out here, I've seen it, you've seen it, we've all seen it. So it's time to move on.
All right, guys, we are rolling into Moab for the last time this morning. Gonna get some water, get a couple more little provisions, little things, and we're gonna say goodbye to this beautiful little town, but we're heading to more little beautiful areas because it's unending here, man. Here's what the cops in this town look like. Aren't they cute? Because we got the A-Team van, guys. A-Team van.
Love it.
I pity the fools that don't love this van.
As usual, gotta pick up a few things before we head out. But it's not very far to our next stop. So we're just gonna kind of mosey along.
That's a nice boulder.
I like that boulder.
We have no idea what this place is because we didn't stop. But it is a nice boulder.
So we're all freshly supplied and refreshed, and now we are heading out into undiscovered country once again, even though it really kind of looks familiar because this looks exactly like southern Colorado so far. But I know it's going to get better because where we're going next is absolutely... It has a name. And, oh, there is an arch coming up. How about that?
Wilson Arch.
Wilson Arch. So yeah, there's still some things that you don't find in Colorado.
Yeah, like an opportunity to fly a drone through an arch. Anywhere that you're going in life, sometimes it's better to just slow down and smell the roses. This was fun. Thanks for making me do it, B. Anyway, it's back to the road. We're almost there. And in the distance, there's that landscape again. This whole area is like doing a time warp back to the Old West. And where we're about to arrive, it'll make you feel like you want to sing old Western cowboy songs. By a campfire, under the stars.
We've made it. Valley of the Gods, man. Look at how red these rocks are. And I think it's time to put the windows down. Because now we begin the search for where we're gonna be spending the day and the night.
My first impression is that this place is everything I hoped it would be. Seriously, guys, I am just so excited to be here right now.
And here we are again, experiencing another picturesque landscape. Oof, this is going to be absolutely radical. That sounded so stupid. I have always wanted to camp out here, and it's happening. It's freaking happening, guys. This is so cool.
It's time for me to check another one off of my bucket list.
It is lunchtime in the valley, and when I say in the valley, I mean in the valley. Wow, dude, and this is our campsite. Are you seeing this place? Ooh.
We found an awesome spot. In fact, it's the spot that I picked out when I was looking at satellite photos of this area, months before this trip. I said I want to camp right there, and by some miracle, it's open.
I already said it, but man, I've always wanted to come here and have a sandwich. How's that sandwich? Here you go, I'm gonna make me one too, right now.
Valley of the Gods is nothing short of eye candy to relax the mind, body, and soul. As has been previously stated, we have a resident geologist in our group, and there's really not a whole heck of a lot to do out here. So guess what we spent the afternoon doing?
You can just pick it right up.
That is not paint.
I'm no geologist, I just like cool rocks, and this is a cool rock. But thanks to the geologist, I know this is jasper, and it's everywhere.
Well, did a little bit of rock hunting, had some beginner's luck, especially B. He found volcanic glass wrapped around stones. Kind of a cool find, super cool find. I had to come back a little bit early because I was out there without sunscreen and I could feel myself starting to sizzle a little bit. So I'm gonna get out of the sun so I don't get absolutely fried. And that is fine. I will just sit here and look at all this.
Or even better, pester my bros with a drone. No gift shops, no restaurants, no hot showers, no swimming pool, no electricity but what you bring. And most importantly, no worries in the world. Just you and all of this. What are you gonna do with it?
There's the hall. This is the cool one. That is like probably some kind of granite or something, or even sandstone, caught in lava.
This obsidian.
Well, I'm no expert, but it was hot when I picked it up.
But
This is fulgurite. It's what happens when lightning hits sandstone or sand.
show the side, and now show what else is special about it. He's got the two pieces that fit together.
There's more up there, I just couldn't find it.
Like I said, this place is just eye candy and a wonderful place to just chill out. If you're into relaxing and doing nothing and just soaking in nature, this place is for you. Well, it has been a fine evening here in Valley of the Gods. Now we're getting down to some, you know, fine adult beverages and chill under the stars once again in the magnificence that is Southeast Utah. Nothing short of a fine example of God's magnificence right here. Twilight is upon us, So that means it's time to get stupid. My memory of this night is a little fragmented. I know it started with Starlink and started to go off the rails when the zombies attacked. I wish I had more to share from this night. I guess you could say we indulged in some excesses. But that's all right. That's what we're here for. I just hope we're not paying for it too much in the morning.
Good morning from the most epic spot we've been to on this trip, and perhaps ever been to, period. The sun is coming over the ridge and is striking all those rock faces. Wow. After some excesses last night, we'll just say, we're not exactly motivated to hurry our asses out of here, and that's just fine. All that matters to me right now is coffee, and it's a percolating. There's the aftermath. Those bottles were full last night and brand spanking new. We are not in any hurry to get out of here, that's for sure. And that's okay. We can sit here and soak this up a little bit. Simple breakfast this morning, some muffins and coffee, you know, breakfast of champions. And man, it's gonna be hard to leave this place.
It's hard to even walk right now.
It is kind of hard to do anything right now. That's why we are once again eating these lead-filled muffins for breakfast that sit in there like a brick, solidifies your stomach for a few hours. You can laugh. Those are the heaviest damn muffins I've ever eaten in my life.
I'm laughing because I don't want to leave here either. It's amazing. And Danny's like, it's hard to walk right now. Oh, hey, you need to show our viewers our little buddy.
Where is he?
Hey, he's in the...
Stumbling around somewhere over there.
We got a bug drunk.
He's right here.
Well, we didn't mean to. Oh, he's sobering up.
Yeah, he's good.
He's just like, I don't want to
guy
move.
is so-
He don't want to move either.
He can't fly.
I found him in my cup this morning, and my cup still had a little bit of whiskey in it. I thought he was dead. Pulled him out, and he's just been flopping around for hours now. So we wish you well, buddy. Godspeed, prayers for you, and get help, man. And we're off. Once again, we're gonna complete the loop through Valley of the Gods because we're not ready to leave this all behind yet. Today's plans, well, you're just gonna have to wait and see. We're checking out more awesomeness as usual, so that's just what we do. That's how we're rolling on this trip. It's been nothing but awesome. Well, we're officially out of the dirt. And man, are we dirty, but she took it like a champ. She's a little worse for wear on the inside. A lot of stuff kind of fell. It was a rough road, man, but she did it. She will do another day. And it's time to air up them tires again. I can see your underwear. Yeah, man. I think it's time to go ahead and I'll give you a reveal. Maybe it'll end up in the video, maybe not. But I think it's time to give you a reveal of where we're heading next. We're going down to Monument Valley. And maybe, just maybe, certain little iconic viewpoint there that we're gonna go to. So, I'm gonna check it out. Time to hit the road now, not the off-road. See you there. We are now here at one of the most iconic scenes in film. Right here. There is literally pieces of me in 4 states right now. Well, it was almost exactly 2 years ago, the last time I was here. Impressive, 150 rooms in that thing, guys, and not a damn one of them's for rent.
Dreams can come true, guys. Sometimes they take a little coaxing. You may have to chase it down a little bit, maybe even poke it with a stick. Valley of the Gods was one of mine, and now it's a memory. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and poke your dream with a stick. And as always, safe travels, happy camping, and cheers.